Hi! Spreading kindness one stamped creation at a time is one of my favorite things to do. Whether it's a handmade card or a scrapbook masterpiece, when you stamp and share your creations, you're sharing love and some serious cheer. Welcome to the channel. Whether this is your first time here or you've been here lots of times, I'm so glad that you're here to hang out with me. My name is Julia. I'm with Julia Sue Stamping. I live in Northeast Ohio, and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Down in the description, I have listed my online store as well as my blog. So please, if you're able, check those out. See if there's anything that you would like. And if you support my small business, I appreciate your help so very much. Thank you. I am passionate about stamping, coloring, paper crafting, card making, and sharing the fun of how to do all of that. Well, we've got something exciting and a little bit sticky on the agenda for today. I'm opening up a brand new package to me of a red rubber stamp set. I'm going to be putting it together and showing you the ins and outs and the little details of that. So hopefully that's going to help you out. Today's video is definitely a Stampin' 101. Back to the basics. Let's begin. I just got a brand new cling stamp set and I wanted to share with you how to put it together. There aren't a lot of stamps in this and they're rather large. When you open it, it comes like this. Now there are instructions here that you can follow. They're very easy. You get a sheet here that has the stickers on it and then the red rubber cling stamps. The first thing I like to do is to take off the backing. And everyone will have a different way to do this. This is the way I do this. I take off this sheet and I recycle this paper. There we go. Now I go ahead and I lay this sheet down in the box, and I always keep this sheet in the box. The next thing I personally do is I take the stamps out. Now's the time to examine the stamps. Is it cut appropriately? Is it too large? Is it too close? If you have problems with it, that's when you need to communicate with your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator because they'll help you fix it. They'll communicate with customer support for you and they will help make sure that the stamp set is what you want and that it works the way it needs to for you. If everything looks okay, then we'll move on to the next step. Also, at this time, you can take a pair of rubber scissors, rubber cutting scissors, if you feel you need to, and cut off extra rubber if there's too much around the sides. Generally, I find it to be just fine the way they are, but there have been a few times where I have taken the rubber cutting scissors and made it a little bit tighter. That just means that I won't have this excess rubber to worry about when it comes to my stamping. The next thing to do is to take the side of the sheet and it peels off like so. Then I take the stamp and I carefully line it up, lay it down, and peel it off. Now the stamp has a very, very sticky back that will work beautifully with my acrylic blocks. Some people don't care to put this sticky part on. Personally, I always do because it helps me know what the stamp is, and I'll show you that in just a second. So again, I lay it down, carefully putting it on there, and then I smooth it out and lift it up. And this is why I like to put it on, because when I have it closed, I can easily see what stamps are in the set. And all I have to do is look at it really quickly and I can see them. So that works really well for me. And then another one, get that out. Very good. Peel it off. Last one. And I'm going to lay it down carefully, smooth it out, peel it off. This can all go in recycling. That's it. Now the stamp set's ready to be used. How exciting! Well, that's a wrap on this Stampin' Adventure. Remember, crafting isn't just about the end result. It's also about the joy that we find in the process. So until next time, happy stamping, and I hope you stay crafty. May you have an opportunity to get inky today. Please be sure you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.